the triple darts.
And we're the Flying Unicorn Princesses.
First, I'm Blubberflyer.
EDT.
Flying Unicorn Princesses.
Yeah.
Okay, do you know how to delete that one?
And I'm Sag.
Hey, We're
Okay.
triple darts.
We're the Flying Unicorn
Unicorn
Princesses.
Princesses. I'm Blubberflyer.
EDT.
Flying Unicorn Princesses. So let's
And
get
I'm
to the
Sag.
So let's get to the lore. Bye. So then
On 3, 2, 1, go!
Uh-oh. That was bad. Yeah, that hit me. I left the gun. Watch out for God. Oh, I missed. Oh, you hit him. Oh, I've been hit. Oh, fail. Ah! Stop your ties now.
Now!
Oh, man.
Get some.
Oh, no.
I've been hit. I'm down 1 life.
No, don't use my scope!
I'm in Katniss. Ready? No!
I'm gonna try.
Okay, here, take it. Wait, did I hit her?
You have 3 lines!
Yes, I have 2.
Why are you using my scope? Well, I used to have one, but I used all the ammo.
Where'd our lid go? Oh, lid is gone.
Oh man, I just wasted a missile!
Okay, I got this, guys. I got this thing. You ready?
Really? That was not necessary.
I can do it.
Oh, that's out!
One bullet.
I'm going in! Really? That's...
I'm scared.
Move as you go. Wait. Cover me, I'm loading.
Katniss Everdeen. That didn't work.
Oh, this one isn't the good one.
Right?
I'm almost there. I'm almost there.
Hey, there's a missile! No, I'm out of darts! No!
She really